Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be making a gorgeous butterfly headband that's colorful and fun and the perfect DIY to take us from summer to fall with bright orange and yellow silk flowers. For this DIY, we'll need a few things. We'll need scissors, hot glue, craft wire, a headband, silk flowers, wire cutters, and of course 3D butterfly stickers. We're going to start with our headband that we got at Target. You can also find these online, in bundles, or in your local craft store. With our silk flowers, we're using ranunculus flowers in orange and yellow. And we're taking just the flower part for our DIY and also a little bit of greenery. Now for this look, we don't need the flowers to be so fluffy, so here's a little hack. We're taking some petals off to make the flower smaller. You just want to eyeball the amount of petals, but on the headband we'll be going from large flowers at the center to smaller flowers down the side, so that's why we're taking some petals off. And again, we're still using just the one bush, but we're getting two other sizes of flowers from it. So to make the flowers even smaller, we're rounding off the edges with scissors. You just want to follow the shape of the petal, and it doesn't have to be perfect, because flowers in real life aren't perfect. And these are all the flowers we'll be using. We're alternating yellow and orange flowers, but again, feel free to choose other colors if you want. And now we're going to prep our 3D butterfly stickers. We have another video that goes over how you can use these for other DIYs, so be sure to check in the description or the cards because these are a lot of fun to work with. By taking a little bit of craft wire, we're going to glue the butterfly right on that J edge. These do come with a sticker backing, but it's not going to be strong enough because of all the movement, so we do need our hot glue. And you can glue these directly to the headband, but we're using wire because we want to make it seem like these butterflies are just fluttering about. Now this is also a great DIY project to do with the kids. You can ask them to pick the colors, or if you have any silk flowers left over from other projects, you can use them here. So starting in the middle, we're adding our big or regular size yellow flower using plenty of hot glue. This part takes a little bit of patience, so you probably want to have a Netflix show ready or something like that. Luckily, with the magic of editing, it looks like we're just breezing through this part, but you do want to take your time and wait for the glue to dry before moving on to the next flower. So there are 3 regular size or large size flowers at the top, followed by the flowers where we took some petals off. Those are our medium flowers, and then the ones with the petals off and rounded edges are last. So we're going from big to small. And you know, if you wanted to, it would also be really fun to use this headband for maybe a Halloween costume, like a fairy princess, something like that. Or if you add some Mickey ears with a wire like we've done in the past, you can make your own mini ears. If you do end up making this DIY, please share it with us. We'd love to see it. You can find us on Instagram at BalsaCircle, and you can tag us or use the hashtag BalsaCircle so we can find your DIY. Now we want to add our butterflies. Here there's no set rule about how many you want to add or where. We used about 4 or 5 just kind of spread out, and all we're doing is wrapping that craft wire around the headband. If you are making this with kids or for kids, you might want to wrap a little bit of ribbon around the wire where it meets the headband just for extra safety and secure it with some hot glue. And if you see that you have some gaps between the flowers, this is a great space to add that little bit of greenery or even small craft buds if you have them left over from other projects. So there we are done and looking gorgeous. How cute would this be for a bridal shower photo booth? It's so beautiful, and the colors, I just love it. So we hope this tutorial gives you an idea of how to make your very own butterfly headband. And be sure to check in the description for the tool list and more videos like this. Or if you have any questions, go ahead and ask us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.